and welcome to my art fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna customize couple hoodies for Valentine's Day. You can easily find couple clothes on the market. Like just Google couple t-shirts, couple sweatshirts, and you will see thousands of them. But all of them are so boring, like so uncreative. A half heart on the man t-shirt, half heart on the woman t-shirt, or a king, queen, Mr., Mrs. I have everything in my life. I am everything. And I feel that nobody has ever tried to push boundaries of couple clothes before, like to make something really creative. And I feel that that is my mission. I create a design which will connect hoodies in a very creative way, and it's gonna be very interesting for me to create this design, and I hope it will be interesting for you too. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna paint on the man hoodie, because man hoodie will be a starting point and you will understand later what does it mean. And some parts of the design I'm gonna paint on the mannequin, and some parts on the table, like sleeve and some details. And first I'm gonna paint part on the mannequin. This is gonna be very interesting design. And now a part which I wanted to paint on the mannequin is finished, and I'm gonna paint design on the sleeve and some details on the table. Okay, painting of man hoodie is finished and I'm so happy with the result. I couldn't even imagine that design will look so cool. I mean, I had a basic idea what I want to do, but I couldn't imagine in my head how it will look like. So I just made a, brave decision to start painting, and I added a lot of details in the process, and I just love the result. So now it's time to paint a woman hoodie, and the design will be similar but with a couple of adjustments to create a story. So let's do it.
Tropical vibes are taking over. I think she knows it, and I'm sure, she bangs in love with these hours. Don't play on, so
Guys, I guess that this design is one of the most creative designs I've ever made. And I had an idea what I want to paint. I wanted to paint hearts and arteries as a neon wires. But I couldn't create such design on the t-shirts because I needed something with a long sleeve. So specially for this video, I bought two hoodies. But I wasn't sure in the result how design will look like. Will it look ugly or stupid? Will I damage these hoodies? So as I said, I made brave decision to start painting and see how design will look like. And it looks so cool. I couldn't be happier with the result. And if I had a possibility, I could create the whole collection with the neons, wires about love, emotions. And actually, you can help me to have these possibilities. Just support my channel. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And I hope guys you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed it so much. And happy Valentine's Day! Hope to see you next time guys. Fashion is art. Bye bye.